Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Flynn and I am the owner and maker of Flynn Sisters Boutique. And today we're going to be doing a review video on Stay Fresh with Peanut products. If you guys make aroma bead products like the Freshies and things like that, you're going to want to watch this video. If you're anything like me, you always want to try before you buy or know what something kind of smells like before you buy it. And so I hope this video will help you find the right scents for you. I also wanted to film this video today in celebration of Stay Fresh with Peanut's 1-year anniversary of being in business. I am so proud of everything they've accomplished this year. I'm especially proud of Peanut, who graduated high school. Yay, that is so amazing. You guys, if you don't already follow these guys, go follow all their social media. I'm gonna have links for them down below. You're also gonna find some discount codes for you there as well. So that's enough chit chat for me. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so here we go. We are going to jump right into this big box of goodies that I got from them. I'm so excited to share these products with you. Now, a lot of these are just coming out today. So some of these products and scents are brand new. I do, though, want to start with their best-selling scent, which is not new. This is the Watermelon Lemonade Twist, okay? And Watermelon Lemonade Twist is on sale right now. Normally a 4-ounce bottle is $7.49. You can pick it up on the website today for $5.99, all the way up to an 8-ounce, which is normally $11.99, on sale for $9.42. This is the 4-ounce size, just so you have an idea. And we are going to open this up and see how it smells. I'm normally a big fan of watermelon lemonade. We'll see how this one goes. Yes, this is so nice. So this one is a superb summer scent, watermelon and zesty lemonade mixed with sweet sugar and poured over cold ice. So again, you guys, this is their best-selling fragrance. I really do like this. Very nice. I actually like this in the first time. I like this better than the first time I smelled it for some reason. Very much like Jolly Rancher. Very traditional watermelon lemonade scent. I think a lot of people would love this. This is the Watermelon Lemonade Twist. And again, this one is on sale for the entire month of May. So go check it out. I know a lot of people will love that scent. And moving into the 5 new summer edition fragrances, these are brand new. I'm going to start with Caribbean Escape. I tend to really like tropical fragrances, but they have to be done right. Like, I'm a very specific tropical fragrance kind of person. Let's see. So they come packaged with these nice little protectors in them, or at least mine did. Ooh, okay. I really like this. Okay, so this is very similar to, if you guys have smelled the coconut tree-shaped car scents, you know, that tree-shaped fragrance car fresheners. Smells like the coconut one. Like when you first take it out of the package, like when it's super strong. That's what I'm getting from this. But I like this better. This is giving me more coconut. I'm even getting like some orange in there, like some citrus. Let's see. So this is a sweet, they wrote it down as a Bath & Body Works type fragrance. This is a sweet tropical delight with bright citrus notes, juicy pineapple, ripe guava, and milky cream coconut, which, yes, it's giving me all those things dead on. Very nice. I also want to say, you guys, I've tried a few different fragrance oils from some different companies, and Stay Fresh with Peanut fragrance oils are the only ones that I've tried that aren't so overwhelming to me. Like, I tend to have mild allergic reactions to some of the other ones, and these ones I can handle and smell them all day and they don't bother me. Now obviously you do not want to get these on your skin, but I don't have reactions to them. So just very clean, beautifully done, nice quality fragrance oils. All right, so the next one that I want to talk about is, let's see, Fiji White Sands. This is a Bath & Body Works type fragrance, and they have it down as a perfect soft fragrance with a sweet citrus blend, fresh cut sugarcane, white nectarine over warm sandalwood blend. The bottom note to this is sandalwood. This is beautiful. This I love. I absolutely love this. This is kind of a fragrance for everyone. I feel like you're still getting the tropical, but with a more cleaner kind of scent. This is a little more sophisticated than Caribbean Escapes. Like sophistication, tropical sophistication is what I'm getting from this. I actually really, really like this one. This is probably my favorite that we've smelt so far. And the top notes on this one is sugarcane, which I do get. I just get a little more cleaner than the sweet with this. I really enjoy this. I'm going to cleanse my nose palette with some coffee beans here. And then we'll move on to our next scent. So our next one is Black Sea. When you guys get these, they're going to have these, they're going to be wrapped in a package. I took most of these out ahead of time to save us on time. Just to protect them while they're in the mail if we have a leak somewhere. But they do ship and package really nice. So this one is Black Sea. This scent, they describe it as succulent plum, sweet spicy notes with a creamy vanilla undertone, a year-round upscale scent that does well in all aroma beads, candles, soaps, and body products. Let's see about it. Oh, this one's stuck here. Oh, yes. This is really nice. I'm having a hard time like placing it for a comparison for you guys. But this is definitely, this is more kind of fresh and fruity. Really nice. Really nice. This is very sophisticated, very classy scent. The top note to this is plum, clove leaf, and ozone notes. And the bottom is amber and vanilla. I am getting more of like the plum and floral bouquet kind of situation from this. But it's also kind of a little bit musky. So nice. I really like this one. Black Sea is probably in my top 2 favorites along with the Fiji White Sands. Love those both. Okay, so the next one that I want to talk about is Volcano Capri Clear. Let's see. So this is a delightful summer blend of tropical fruits, sugared oranges, lemons, and limes with hints of exotic tropical florals and mountain greens. The top notes is lemon and limes, and the bottom is greens. And I am definitely getting that. This is like kind of more of a kitchen type fragrance. Like I would want this in my kitchen. Very clean. Very beautiful scent. I really absolutely, all of these have been wonderful. Very tropical scents. This one is giving me more of that green kind of fresh cut grass. I can't talk fresh cut grass kind of situation. but absolutely beautiful. I really love this one. I am having a hard time picking a favorite out of these. Okay, so those are the ones that they are doing for the 5 new summer edition fragrances. And then they also have some new ones that aren't related to the summer releases that are kind of great for all year round. And the first one I'm really excited about is Cavender Boot Barn. So Cavender Boot Barn is a leather type fragrance. If you've ever worked with like the leather type fragrance oils, just know that these do take longer to cure in your fragrance beads. They are really intense fragrances. This one is leather all the way, but it is not, I feel like this is more of a, this one does have some more musk and amber scents to it with the leather. Really nice. This is really nice. This would be kind of like for a more, you know, if you're not wanting something tropical, if you're not wanting something fruity, if you're wanting something more of like a traditional new car kind of fragrance, this is nice. This is like upscale leather scent, okay? If I had to put a name to it, this is like upscale fine leather goods leather scent. This is very nice. Okay, and then the other one is Strawberry Patch. I'm usually not a fan of strawberry type fragrances, so we'll see how I feel about this. Okay. I'm getting more though like strawberries and herbs. I'm getting strawberries and herbs. Like if you're out in like a garden, in your front garden, and you do both strawberries and herbs in the same kind of area, that's what I'm getting from this. So this one does have a top note of greens, which is probably where I'm getting the herb kind of smell. And then the strawberry and musk are more of the undertones. So it's not a, this is more of a mature type strawberry scent than ones that I've smelled that are more like a juvenile scent, like that you'd have in like a kid's room. This is more of a sophisticated strawberry scent. So I really do like this. This is probably, if I had to do a strawberry scent, I would go for this. So this was Strawberry Patch. Now I have to say this is the first time that I've sat down to do a fragrance oil review and I've actually liked all of them. I usually have some doozies that I just really can't handle. And I actually like all of these. So just to recap, my favorites though would have to be Black Sea, which was that succulent plum kind of spicy creamy vanilla situation, and the Fiji White Sands, where you're getting kind of a really upscale tropical citrus beachy situation. So I did like Fiji White Sands and Black Sea were my 2 favorites out of everything that we reviewed. Watermelon Lemonade is on sale for the whole month of May. And Strawberry Patch and Cavender Boot Barn were the 2 new scents that aren't related to the summer scents. And again, Volcano Capri Clear and Caribbean Escape were also part of the summer releases that were fantastic. Okay, so that goes for all, that's it for all of the scent stuff. I want to talk about some of the other goodies that I got in this box. First one being the Star Spangled Mica powder set. Now you guys know I like to color my Freshies with micas. I have a huge collection of mica colors. And I don't have this red yet, so I am really excited about this. You guys, when you get your micas from them, you're going to get large jars. These are huge. They're going to last you forever. So this first one is Rocket Red, and that is red. That is a good regular red. You're going to really love this color. If you're doing like red, white, and blue kind of stuff for the summertime, this is great. This is Sky. This is a beautiful classic primary sky blue. Not a lot of color shift to these, so just really getting some good solid colors here. Okay, and then this last one is Coconut Kisses, which is just a beautiful pearl white. So if you were making like, you know, Texas flag or American flag kind of Freshies, these are a great little set for you to get. Again, this is the Star Spangled Mica set that is releasing today. They also always give you these cute little scoopy scoops, which I absolutely love. Perfect for scooping the perfect amount. And then the other mica set that's being released today is the Rippers Reef set. I really love fluorescent colors when I'm doing my Freshies. And this Patrick Coral color does not disappoint. Look at the vibrancy in this coral color. Like no other. I have not seen a coral this loud and vibrant. I mean, this is just like screaming hot coral. Absolutely love that. So that is a beautiful color. Again, that's Patrick Coral from the Rippers Reef set. And you also get Blue Cruise, which is like, oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful ocean blue that comes in that set. You guys, if you don't get this set, these two colors are absolutely fantastic. Blues Clue, B-L-U-Z Clue, Blues Clue, and Patrick Coral. Two beautiful colors. Whether you do tumblers or you just do Freshies, either way, these are two beautiful colors to have in your collection. I do not have anything like this yet, so I'm very excited to get those. All right, and now a few really fun cookie cutters too that we got. This is going to be releasing May 5th. I know you guys are going to absolutely love this. If you're a fan of Patron tequila, we got your tequila bottle. If you don't drink, maybe you're not interested in tequila, this would be really cute for like a poison type bottle for Halloween time. Lots of fun ideas for this. So this is a new cutter that's going to be released May 5th. They also have a whiskey one that's coming out. Maybe this could also be like a Tito's bottle or something, whatever you're into. But those are both really super cool, really nice big Freshies. You guys, we love, love, love nice big Freshies, okay? So those are two new cutters. I think it would be really fun to do like the Cavender Boot Barn with like a whiskey bottle theme on this one. How fun would that be? Okay, and then another one that is going to be released soon. It might already be released, I don't know. This beautiful sunflower. So you get the center round and then the flower cutter. So you get both to create a 2-color sunflower Freshie. Super cute. I absolutely love this. So you can just do a lot of fun color combinations there. And I think that wraps it up. So that was it for all the fun releases that are coming out today at stayfreshwithpeanut.com. Again, you're going to find a link for them down below and an exclusive discount code just for you guys. So that wraps up our video. I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you so much from everybody at Stay Fresh with Peanut. You guys are so supportive and wonderful of the Flynn Sisters channel. We love you guys. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. And a big thank you to all of our Flynn Sisters exclusive members. Thank you for your pledge. Your support means the world to our channel. If you love this video, you could check out our last video here. Also be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course subscribe for all our new videos that come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.